What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing something quick. I'm going to show you how I put the flags on the sleeves or any type of sleeve print. How I do it here. I know other people do it, different in different ways. I'm going to show you the way I do it. I'm going to make a real quick video on it, so I'm just going to get right into that, hop in the press and show you how I press this onto the sleeve. We're already lined up. I already got my press set to temp, which they want this at 360 to 370. 3 to 5 seconds. With this press, I threw up the time an extra second and I threw it up to 372. So what I do is I take from this stitch line here and then I'm basically going to center it up from that. So if we're going to be doing, let's see, right sleeve here. So I'm going to go from this stitch on top of the shirt. This is how I do them. So then what I do is I take my pillow. You can get them on Amazon. Stick my pillow in here and I line that stitch right up at the top of that so I know where my center is of that. I pull it down just far enough so I can still see that stitch mark. And then when you're using your pillows, I'm gonna have to lighten up the pressure on this because I probably have it down for what a t-shirt is without the pillow. So let me see what I got. Yeah, it's too heavy. Okay. And it's still going to be a medium to firm pressure with this. So this is a goof-proof transfer from Transfer Express. So I'm gonna put it right up from the stitching from the bottom of the sleeve. I'm gonna put it up about a ½ inch. And you could always, I fold mine up just so I see where the center is at. And I'm gonna line it up with this right here. Get my lint roller. Pull it down just far enough so I can still see the stitching. Make sure everything's straight. Put it up about a ½ inch. My temperature, we're right at where we're supposed to be today. And this is, I'm gonna press it for 6 seconds. Medium to firm pressure. And it's hot peel. Let it go a couple more seconds. There you go. This isn't backwards, this is how they do the flags. The one's facing back. So I got the front of the shirt, and I got my sleeve print. Throw this on real quick for you guys so you can see it. Alright, so there, I threw it on so you guys can see what it looks like. Put it about an inch, ½ inch to an inch up, depending on what you're pressing. But that way, and then you guys can do whatever you want on the front. But these flags are really easy to put on, and like I said, you can get these in Google gang sheets. And I got a gang sheet of these because I sell shirts with the big flag on the front, flag on the side. And these things, I get probably at least almost 20 of these to a gang sheet, easy. So it's really inexpensive and it comes out real nice with the, the flag on the side like some people like. So that's what it looks like on. Right down the center I put it, so that way it's exactly on your arm. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so that was just a real quick video on how to do a right sleeve print, putting the flag on a shirt. Like I said, I got these from Transfer Express, they're goof proof. I put it right down from the stitching up here, to center it up with that. And I used these pillows, I get them from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. They come in a pack, I think of 5 of them. They're all different sizes for hoodies, you know, doing neck labels, the sleeves, legs, when you're doing pants, all types of stuff. These things work great, and they were really cheap. I think they were like 20 bucks for the pack on Amazon, but that was just a quick video on how I do my sleeve prints. Other people might do them different. Sometimes I even do them on the hat press if it's a smaller print, but this is the way I do them on the big press with the pillow. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.